multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Today we're going to look at the problem 5 times 3/4. All this really means is that I have 5 groups of 3/4, or it means that I have 5 times I'm going to add 3/4. So I'm going to show you in a picture. If you had to draw a picture what it looks like, does not mean that you are going to draw 5 pictures. It means you're going to have 5 groups of 3/4. So I'm going to start off. I know that all of my wholes are going to be broken down into fourths because that's what my denominator is. So here's fourths, and I'm going to color in 3 of the fourths. So right now I have one group of 3/4. And now I know I need to draw another picture because I need 5 groups of 3/4. So I'm going to continue. 1, 2, 3. Here's 2 groups of 3/4. And of course you can look and see it's between 2 whole pictures that I'm sharing. I'm going to draw yet another picture. Divided into fourths, and now I'm going to color 3/4. So this is my third group of 3/4 that I have. I'm going to go back to my black. This is my fourth group of 3/4, and now I know I need to draw one more. So as you can see, I didn't have to draw 5 of anything. I just need 5 groups of 3/4. And so here's the 5th group. Then I can just simply count them. I can count all of my fourths together. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 fourths. Why is it fourths? Because fractions are always based off of one whole. I'm looking at one thing and I'm saying how many parts that one thing is broken into. How many did I have to draw? How many holes did I have to draw? Because I had of the one thing and I needed 15 colored. Well, yeah, you can look. 3 whole things I did have to draw. 3 whole pictures and another 3/4 of another one. So 15 fourths is equal to 3 3/4. Why? Because 3 holes are filled in and then another 3/4 of the last one. So that's using pictures to help you multiply. Let's look at it mathematically. I said 5 times 3/4 was the same as adding 3/4 3 times. 5 times add 3/4. So you could also go 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. And then we can count by 3s to get there. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I have 15 fourths. When adding fractions together, the denominator stays the same. Why? Our picture shows us why. We did not decompose or change what was here. We just simply are adding all of the fourths together if you look up here at the picture. So that gives us 15 fourths. How many holes do I have? How many groups of 4 can I make out of 15? If you count by 4, you'll get 4, 8, 12. So 3 times you can count by 4. If I keep counting, I'll get to 16. So I don't want to count that. So that's 3 groups of 4 that I counted by, so 3 holes. 15 minus 12 leaves me with 3 left over, 3/4 of another one left over, which is the same answer I have up here. There's one more way I want to show you 5 times 3/4. Any whole number you can make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Why? Because if I have 5 of something, and all of them are colored in, and a fraction is based off of one whole. If I looked at this one and I asked myself, what is that one whole? How many parts is that divided into? It's divided into 1 equal part. So then I can write 5 over 1 times 3/4 and then multiply straight across. When we're multiplying, you do not need the same denominators. 5 times 3 is 15 and 1 times 4 is 4. Again, how many groups of 4 can you make out of 15? 3. What's left over? 3/4. And that is multiplying by a whole number.